In this Your Stinger on the Road tutorial, we'll show you how you can use FalseList to minimize unnecessary alerts. Please note that radar speed trap alerting features and functionalities are only available where allowed. This video is for Stinger users with a view display. Radar speed traps use the X, K or Ka frequency bands to measure speed, but they aren't the only applications to use these frequencies. For instance, automatic sliding doors with radar sensors also operate on one of these frequencies and can be picked up by your Stinger. When you know a certain radar alert is false, like from a gas station you pass on a daily basis, simply tap the Add to FalseList button. This immediately stores that specific signal at that specific location in the FalseList of your Stinger. The next time you are driving at the same location and in the same direction, your Stinger will automatically mute the alert. It will, however, alert if a mobile speed trap would be suddenly set up at the same location. Alternatively, you can just wait for your Stinger to machine learn. After passing the same false alert a handful of times over several days, your Stinger's AI will designate it a false alert automatically. Either way, your Stinger will get quieter and quieter over time. Please check out our other tutorials on how to optimize your Stinger experience and protect yourself even better against speed traps.